Welcome to aminacademy.com. In mathematics challenge, can you find I power I is what and square root of I is what? So where I is a complex number. Look at here. First, let us start with I power I. I power I is what? Now let I equal 0 plus 1i. Now by trigonometric function we can write 0 as cos pi by 2 plus I is I sine pi by 2. Since cos pi by 2 is 0, sine pi by 2 is 1. So we can express I as cos pi by 2 plus I sine pi by 2. Regarding De Moivre's theorem, which is equal e power I theta, which means I is 0 plus e power I theta. That theta here is pi by 2. Therefore, you can write I pi by 2. Now, which is I by De Moivre's theorem. De Moivre's theorem. Now, but we need square root of I. Square root of I is here e power I pi by 2. No, not square root of I. Here we need I power I. We call here I. That means I we express already e power I pi by 2. Here we need I power I is equal e power I pi by 2 power I. This is I, here on power is I. So which is equal e power I into I square pi by 2. But I square is minus 1. So we can write this one as e power minus 1 pi by 2. So therefore I power I is e power minus pi by 2. It's a strange answer because I power I is a here rational number. E power minus pi by 2 is rational number. We got that means I power I is e power minus pi by 2. Next one, can you find the square root of I is what? Now, next, square root of I is what? Now, first we can express I is equal 0 plus I, that is real part is 0, imaginary part is 1i, which is in trigonometric form we can write this as cos pi by 2 plus I sine pi by 2. What do you mean that here cos pi by 2 is 0, sine pi by 2 is 1, so on it is I. But we need square root of I is I is here the power half with cos of pi by 2 plus I sine pi by 2 power half. By De Moivre's theorem, we can say cos of this power comes in front of the theta, that is in front of pi by 2, that is cos pi by 2 into half is cos pi by 4 plus I sine pi by 2 into half is pi by 4. We know that cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 plus I sin pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2, which is equal, root 2 is a common denominator, then 1 plus I, which is equal square root of I. Therefore, square root of I we got, which is equal 1 plus I over root 2. Then, before that we got I power I is e power minus pi by 2. So, we can write the result. I power I is e power minus pi by 2 and square root of I is 1 plus I over root 2. Nice answer we got. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.